How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your e-bike controller. So basically, resetting an e-bike controller can be done using either a soft reset, which is by disconnecting the battery, or a factory reset through the display advanced setting. So the first thing that we want to do, which is the easiest one, is the soft reset, which is power cycling the device. Now, in here, you want to first turn off your scooter. So just press the power button until your display screen goes black, and then you want to remove the battery, so just unlock it and pull it off the bike frame. Right after, we just want to drain the motherboard of any electricity. So while the battery is plugged out, you want to press the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Once again, this will empty the capacitors on the controllers itself. From there, just reconnect the battery back in and you should be good to go. The other thing that we could do, basically, there's a lot of scooter models out there, so you just want to go ahead and try this following step, is to reset it via the display menu. So for something like the S866 or other similar LCD devices model, you could just go ahead and turn on your e-bike, press the power button to access the settings, and then there's going to be something like the reset button. So just tap on the reset and you should be good to go. Once again, there's a lot of scooter models out there, so just head over to your respective instructions or the official instructions from the manufacturer, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.